It's like if I'm the baddest on the street, if I go through life like this with my hands up, it's like I can't get hurt because I'm prepared to hurt them first. I'm prepared to always be on defense. I'm prepared to always be tough, and that way I don't get hurt. If I don't care, I don't get hurt. If I don't admit I care, then I don't have to admit to being hurt. So I just, anger and hostility is just a way to hide hurt, fear, and frustration. I tell you what I think is, I think somewhere along the line she's been really hurt, and then you get cancer, not once but twice,